Croatia has incredible cultural heritage. Through the EU project SAHE, we are connecting technology, culture, knowledge, creativity, and all excellent and great project ideas. Cultural heritage is being transformed. It's coming alive and it's even more and more attractive to all generations. Let's see how.
One of the main goals of our collaboration was to make the invisible cultural heritage visible, interactive and entertaining in augmented reality technology. The digital content of the Zagreb City Libraries and the Kuzulin archaeological site of the Prigorje Museum are being revived through augmented reality on the Equinox platform. In Equinox, we are creating interactive games and we are designing magic stories. Those stories are the foundation for creating animated 3D models that we position on GPS location in augmented reality. Users access all of the content on their mobile phones. They compete in solving puzzles and receive virtual coins, which will become real vouchers to be used in local businesses.
SAHE matchmaking event connected the Museum and Memorial Center Dražen Petrović with the City Office for Culture and Orioli Company. We designed an interactive 360 display of the museum's permanent exhibition with an integrated e-ticketing system. What we want to do is bring the life and career of one of Croatia's greatest basketball players closer to both existing and new museum visitors, as well as younger generations outside the museum's premises.
Within our team, we didn't know each other before. We all met in one of the SAHE project workshops. With our project, we wanted to raise awareness of one of the largest marginalized groups in our society, older adults. To improve interaction and understanding between the different age groups, we designed a mobile app through which we connect the youngest and oldest, and we did that through the fairy tales written by one of the most famous Croatian writers, Ivana Brlić-Mažuranić.
We joined forces because we want to provide a new interpretation of museum permanent exhibition to museum visitors by using VR technology. On the one hand, the museum has a rich collection and heritage. On the other hand, Pixel Cake has the know-how when it comes to VR technology projects. Therefore, we conceptualized a project called Virtual Time Machine through the Zagreb Past, which is based on the permanent exhibition. It starts at the section called Finds on the site of Discovery, where we would like to tell a story of the former convent of the Poor Clares, in which museum is located today. Also, we would like to tell a story of the archaeological finds that are presented on site.
The idea of Cultural Center Travno, Center for Traditional Cultural Heritage, was prompted by the question how to make traditional costumes and cultural heritage in general more attractive to young people and younger generations. In association with Pixel Cake, we came up with an idea for a video game called Treasure Chest. The narrative would follow a collector of traditional costumes and would give information about the place of origin, name and time in which it was worn. The costumes would then be stored in a collection of costumes which would always be available. Therefore, the video game would have an entertaining and educational character. It would be a modern way for younger generations to view tradition. We hope our idea will spring into life soon. We submitted it as a part of a project to Creative Europe Call with our colleagues from Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina.
The Heritage in the Palm of Your Hand is a project that will create a unique digital platform that will promote the cultural heritage in Zagreb and its surroundings through mobile technologies and augmented reality, using entertainment, gamification and storytelling methods. The project will strengthen the network between cultural and tourist sectors, unify the offer and increase the availability of information. The idea for this project has been around for a long time. But SAHE Workshops kick-started our efforts by bringing together creative entrepreneurs, representatives of cultural institutions, and city administration. Now the cooperation continues and we hope to apply for EU funding.